Yes, students. Today we start the new lesson that is the matter around us here. As you know, what is matter? Matter may be defined as the substance which occupies space and have mass. That is called matter. Matter around us pure. If the matter is made up of single kind of the substance, then it is called pure. If it is of two types of the matter is mixed, then it is called impure matter or the mixture. So on the basis of physical state, matter is classified into three main types. They are solid, liquid, and gaseous. On the basis of chemical composition, matter is classified into two main types. They are pure substances and mixture. So what are pure substances? Are the substances which is made up of single kind of the elements. Pure substances are of two types. They are the elements and compound. Mixture are of two types. They are the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Matter, pure substance, and mixture, pure substance elements and compound, and mixture are homogeneous and heterogeneous. These we discuss one by one. Pure substances and mixture. Pure substances is a substance which consists of a single type of substance, element or compound. For example, iron, copper, hydrogen, oxygen, water, sugar, common salt, etc. Mixture. It is a substance which consists of two or more pure substances. For example, seawater, mineral, soil, air, sand, and salt. Sugar in water, salt in water, etc. are the mixture. What is difference between pure substance and mixture? Pure substance consists of a single type of the single type of pure substance consists of single type of elements that consist. Pure substance consists of a single type of the substance. Pure substance cannot be separated into other substance by physical method. Pure substance has its own definite properties. Mixture consists of two or more pure substances. Mixture can be separated into its components by physical method. Mixture show the properties of its components. Types of mixture. Mixture are of two types. They are the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, it is a mixture which has a uniform composition. The particles of mixture are not visible by naked eye. Particles cannot be separated by filtration. Mixture is stable. The particles do not settle down. The path of beam of light is not visible in the mixture. Mixture of sugar in water, mixture of salt in water, mixture of copper sulfate in water. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture which has a non-uniform composition. Particles are visible by naked eye. Particles can be separated by filtration. Mixture is unstable. The particles settle down. The path of beam of light is visible in the mixture. Mixture of salt and sand, mixture of sulfur and iron fillings, mixture of oil and water. Mixture of oil and water. That is the heterogeneous mixture. Now you can understand about the true solution. A true solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. True solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. A solution as a solvent and solute as its component. The component in larger amount is solvent and component in lesser amount is solute. Solution of salt in water, solution of sugar in water, iodine in water, tincture iodine, soda water, etc. Properties of true solution. True solution is a homogeneous mixture. Particles cannot be seen by naked eye. Solute particles cannot be separated by filtration. Solute particles do not settle down and the solution is stable. Particles do not scatter a beam of light passing through it, and the path of light is not visible in it. These are the properties of the solution. Then colloidal solution. A colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture. A colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Mixture of starch in water. Mixture of starch in water. Mixture of egg albumin in water. Milk, air containing dust and smoke. Properties of colloidal solution. Colloidal solution is a heterogeneous mixture. Particles cannot be seen by naked eye. Solute particles cannot be separated by filtration. Solute particles do not settle down and the solution is stable. Particles scatter a beam of light passing through it and the path of light is visible in the solution. Path of light is visible in the solution. After that, then the third type is suspension. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances. For example, solution of sand in water, solution of chalk powder in water. Properties of suspension are: suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. Particles can be seen by naked eye. Solute particles can be separated by filtration. Solute particles can be separated by filtration. Solute particles settle down and the solution is unstable. Particles scatter a beam of light passing through it and the path of light is visible in the solution. Path of light is visible in the solution. Here you can see the suspension. Solute particles can be separated by filtration. This can be shown by the simple diagram: a funnel in which a solution is poured in its suspension, and you can on the filter paper the solute particles, solute particles settle down. These are the properties of the, and solute particles scatter the light of a path of light is visible. These are the properties of the suspension. Then the Tyndall effect: when a beam of light is passed through a colloidal solution, colloidal particles scatter the beam of light and the path of light become visible in the solution. The effect is called Tyndall effect. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि एक रूम में से खिड़की में से थोड़ी सी लाइट आ रही है तो उसमें हमें sand particles वगैरह नजर आते हैं. That is known as the Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect can be seen when light enters in a room through a small hole due to scattering of light by the dust and smoke part. Tyndall effect can be seen in the dense forest. और फॉरेस्ट में भी अगर आप देखो तो कहीं कहीं धूप आ रही होती है तो वो हमें अलग नजर आती है, और पार्टिकल्स वगैरह ड्यू टू स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट बाय वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स इन द मिस्ट. These are the properties of true solution, colloidal, and the suspensions. True solution, colloidal, and the suspensions. This is all about the today. Now we take in the